This is problem number 3 from 6.3 assignment. This is very similar to the previous problem we just did. They say for the real number s equals negative pi over 4, evaluate the wrapping function of s. The one thing I want you to understand about the wrapping function is if I look at the unit circle, the wrapping function is just talking about wrapping a string around the circle, meaning how far does the angle take me around the circle, and basically say what the coordinate is. So anytime you see the wrapping function, just realize it's just the same thing we've been doing. We're going around the circle to a specific angle, and we're looking at what the coordinate is. So in our case, negative pi over 4, well, that would just take us clockwise a pi over 4. So I go negative pi over 4 takes me here. Negative pi over 4, I got this upside down, sorry. Negative pi over 4 would take me to 7 pi over 4, which is exactly what we got in the last problem. So our answer here is root 2 over 2 comma negative root 2 over 2. But I do want to show you, this is what we could do with the coterminal angles. We could say negative pi over 4. We know that if we go coterminal angles, that 2 pi is equal to 8 pi over 4. Right, same thing. So if we add 8 pi over 4, you can see that negative pi over 4 is the same as 7 pi over 4. So now we can write this as the wrapping function of negative pi over 4 equals the wrapping function of 7 pi over 4, which we know both of those equal, if you look at our answer here, we got root 2 comma negative root 2. So root 2 over 2 comma negative root 2 over 2. And that's our answer.